The Hyundai Pony Coupe concept holds a special place in automotive history as the precursor to Hyundai's successful journey into the global automobile market. While it wasn't the very first Hyundai vehicle, that distinction goes to the Cortina, assembled in collaboration with Ford in 1967. It is considered the genesis of Hyundai's iconic lineup of cars that we see today. Originally unveiled at the 1974 Turin Motor Show, the Pony Coupe concept was a remarkable creation by Italian artist Giorgetto Giugiaro. Lost to time, Hyundai embarked on a remarkable journey to recreate this pivotal concept, faithfully restoring it to its exact 1974 specifications using materials and design principles from the era. Giugiaro's design philosophy, characterized by sharp lines, minimalist aesthetics, and driver-centric interiors, is evident in the Pony Coupe concept. The car features a classic wedge-shaped silhouette, a clean and confident exterior, and a retro-inspired interior with a driver-oriented floating dashboard and analog displays. In terms of size and power, the Pony Coupe concept is compact and agile, with a length comparable to a modern Ford Fiesta but slightly slimmer and lower. Powering the concept is a modest, 1.2-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, delivering 81 bhp to the rear wheels, a reflection of mainstream car performance standards of the 1970s. The restoration of the Pony Coupe concept symbolizes a significant milestone in Hyundai's history and serves as a legacy for future generations. It embodies the vision and determination of Hyundai's founding chairman, Ju Young-chung, to elevate Korea's automotive industry and improve the lives of its people. Unveiled at the prestigious 2023 Villa d'Este Concours in Lake Como as part of Hyundai's Global Heritage Project named Hyundai Reunion, the reborn Pony Coupe concept celebrates the company's rich automotive heritage. Hyundai aims to expand this initiative further, showcasing its commitment to preserving and honoring its legacy in the automotive world.